What can I do for you today? Need help with English practice or something else?
What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. I've got something very exciting today for you guys. We have got Bixby live currently working on any Galaxy phones running on One UI 6.0 and above. Now this all new APK has been shared by Galaxy Techie on X. Thanks to him for sharing this. He has given us a few links here. We've got a Bixby Global APK, Bixby Live APK, and Voice Wake-up APK. You can go ahead and first update the Voice Wake-up APK on your Galaxy phone. Then you can try either of these, Bixby Live or Bixby Global 4. What I did was I first installed the Bixby Live and then I updated it to Bixby Global and then it started working. Now before you go ahead and install it, let me show you what exactly this is. How does Bixby Live is going to work? Currently we just have a regular Bixby which we got on the One UI 8.5 beta 5. Which is the latest version, and this integrates Perplexity as well. Let me just open Bixby over here. As you can see, this is the interface that you get on Bixby. Let me just increase the brightness. Here we don't have Bixby Live, but we do have conversational AI now on Bixby with the One UI 8.5. However, if you want to try out the Bixby Live, you'll be able to do that on your Galaxy phone as early as today. Let me go ahead and show you this. Now, by the way, this is the Chinese version of the Bixby, so it may behave a little weird when you open it for the first time. Let me open this. As you can see, there are some options here in Chinese. Now let me show you where exactly is Bixby Live. I will just scroll towards the right here. Now this option here, when I tap on this, it enters into the live mode. It says connecting and there it is. We have got this glow effect right here at the center. It already started talking. Let me just reduce the volume here. Now let me just brief you about this interface. We've got this cool animation here. This looks something similar to ChatGPT when it was initially released. And then you can see at the bottom, we've got 4 different options here. First one is video option. Now this works something similar to Gemini live video mode. And the second one is screen sharing option. Let me tap on this. It says share your screen with Bixby, share one app or share the entire screen. Let me just select entire screen here and tap on share screen. And you can see the entire screen is selected with this border indicating that the screen is selected. Let me go home now. Again, you can see it's still live and it has captured the screen. I can ask anything which is right there on the screen. Now that is the screen capture option. And then we have got the mic button here using which we can talk to Bixby Live and we can have a conversation like we do on Gemini. On the top, we have got 3 options. One is the settings. Then we have got this 3-dot ellipsis button. And when I tap on this, you can see we have got gallery and camera. We can upload any images from gallery here. Let me just select this specific image here and tap on done. Now I'll be able to ask about this specific image, but at the moment it doesn't really fetch the information from this image that I upload. It is kind of buggy. So I just want to warn you, if you really want your Bixby to be operational, then I don't suggest you to install this. But yeah, if you want to try this out, you can always try this new APK. Now I can tap on this option here to get into the conversation mode here. You'll be able to see that live conversation in captions here. So that option is also available. Now let me just close this. Let's test it out.
关于视频和屏幕分享的功能测试体验如何？有什么想进一步探讨的吗？
All right, now it is talking in Chinese. Let's ask Bixby to talk in English. Hey, can you talk in English?
Great. So, what's your favorite hobby? Do you enjoy reading, sports, or maybe something creative like painting?
Forget that. How old are you on Samsung Galaxy phone?
I don't have an age, but I'm here to help with your Galaxy phone. Need tips on features, settings, or something else?
How do I reduce the brightness? Can you help me with that?
Got it. The screen brightness has been reduced for you. Is that better? Or would you like to adjust it further?
Reduce it further.
The brightness is now lower. Let me know if you need it even dimmer.
Look at that. That is just amazing. You can just talk to Bixby and ask Bixby to change the settings on your phone. Let's try this again.
你好，关于昨天屏幕亮度的调整还合适吗？
Speak in English.
手机的其他功能有
Can
什
you
么需要
speak in
进一
English?
步了解的 Of course, I'm Bixby Live, your English-speaking buddy. Let's practice together. Want to start with daily conversations, vocabulary, or pronunciation?
Can you turn on the power saving mode?
I can't directly turn on power saving mode, but I can guide you. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open quick settings. Then look for the battery icon. Tap tap it to enable power saving. Let me know if you need more help.
Can you turn off Wi-Fi?
Please wait. Let me help you turn off Wi-Fi right away. Okay, I've helped you turn off Wi-Fi. You can also say, Bixby, turn off Wi-Fi directly. Or go to settings, find the Wi-Fi option and tap the switch.
Bixby, turn off Wi-Fi.
Just a second. Let me turn off Wi-Fi for you. Okay. Wi-Fi is turned off now. You can check the quick settings panel to confirm. Need anything else?
Okay, now it is buggy. It is not turning off the Wi-Fi, but it is nice to see how it works. Let's do some other conversation.
I'm so happy to chat with you. How are you?
How far is Brigade Road from here?
Be patient, Dot. Let me check the distance for you. 很抱歉，您的问题中百分号 S 未明确具体地点。I can't directly answer the distance. If you want to check the distance between Brigade Road and a specific location, you can supplement the specific location name. For example, distance from London, UK, about 205 kilometers, 2 hours and 44 minutes by car.
Okay,
Distance
wait.
from Nottingham.
Yeah, I'm able to
No
interrupt the conversation here, as you can see. Okay, tell me the distance from MG Road to Brigade Road in Bangalore.
Please wait. Let me find out the distance for you. Dot. The distance between MG Road and Brigade Road in Bangalore is about 2 kilometers. By car, it takes around 10 to 15 minutes. And you can also take buses
Okay,
like
stop.
lines 335A.
Yeah, so
It's a
that's
short
pretty
distance.
that's pretty accurate. Now let's ask something else. Tell me which are the best restaurants on MG Road?
很抱歉，暂时未搜到相关的信息。
Okay, now it just said something in Chinese. I don't understand. Can you tell me in English?
I'm sorry. There was an error in the previous response. Let me try again. I'll search for the best restaurants on MG Road for you now.
Okay, now that's how it works. This is Bixby Live for you guys. We do have a video mode as well, but it is not really working well. I did try it. Hey, what's on the screen?
There's a black leather notebook with gray decorations on the screen, printed with icon humps, and a black box with Schiefer on the side.
Which watch is this?
正在帮你看看这些手表。
Can you tell me in English which watch is this?
让我瞅瞅是啥手表。
Which watch is this?
正在识别手表型号。
It's very buggy on this APK, but nevertheless, it does work. And this will give us a glimpse of what Samsung is up to when it comes to developing Bixby in the future. Like I said, we just got the Perplexity AI on Bixby. And in the future, we are definitely going to get this Bixby Live screen sharing features, etc. Let's wait and see that. But if you want to try this application, you can go ahead and download the APK. Thanks to Galaxy Techie on X for sharing this information, this APK. There are some instructions as well for installing this. I will share that as well in the description. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. Let me know what do you think about this all new Bixby. Do you think Samsung should develop Bixby and make it work similar to Gemini, or do you prefer using Gemini? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Download our wallpaper application Wallverse. There are some amazing collections available on the wallpaper application. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you've already subscribed to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video informative. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.